West Indies Petroleum Terminal Limited, IPO, or is it? So they might come to the market and be like, "Yo, we need cash to do this. Maybe an APO,
I think we should even explain APO. Additional public offering
a
would
public."
be they could say 1 year down the line, hey, we are going to create some new shares. They're saying, hey, we have more customers. They want, like, we're storing the 600, what is it, 600,000 or whatever barrels. But we're, the amount of business we're doing now, it could almost be empty. We don't want that. So we want even more space. Or,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, wait, not really empty, but you get what I'm saying. Like, they want to do more business. So they
Yeah.
say, hey, we have more customers. They want more oil, more products like this. Let's upgrade it to 1 million barrels or 800,000 barrels. Let's increase it. That's going to cost a certain amount of money. They might borrow some money and do it too, but they say, hey, let's also do that. So a mixture of borrowing money and then also ownership in the company, equity.